Did you know that Google search engine now has a hidden feature that lets you chat with it just like you do with ChatGPT? It is called Google AI Mode. Well, it is still in the testing level and officially only available in the US. But come closer, here is the twist. You can unlock it from anywhere in the world using a simple free VPN. And in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to do it using the most effective, easy steps. Trust me, once you see it in action, you will wonder why Google hasn't released it worldwide yet. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel, we discuss practical tips for education, research, and business. If you love learning smart and actionable tools like this, please hit the subscribe button now so that you will never miss any of our new videos. If you are ready, let's get started. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will do is to open Chrome. From the Google search, I will enter this keyword. What is artificial intelligence? Then I will press enter. You can see that Google is showing us AI overview of artificial intelligence. But when you scroll down, you will also see your normal Google search features. Whereas if you are in US, you are going to have this thing like ChatGPT. You can see my location. I am currently in Nigeria. But for US, it will be like ChatGPT. Do not worry, because in few minutes I will show you how to access this Google AI mode irrespective of the country where you are browsing from. Now, the very first thing we are going to do is to install a VPN. We are going to use a free VPN to do this. So I will open a new tab and type Urban VPN. So I'll be using the Chrome extension. From here, this is the Urban VPN proxy. I will click on it so that I will install this VPN extension. The next thing I will do is to click on this Add to Chrome button. Once that is done, I will also click on Add Extension button. The Urban VPN will go on to install. You can see it here. The installation is going on. After the installation, I'll have to click here so that I will pin this VPN to my Google Chrome. So I will click on pin here. Once it is on, I will then come to this button, the Open VPN button, click on it. Then it will load to show me to agree to the term. You can see the term here. So I will click on agree. Immediately I am done agreeing to the terms and conditions. It is also still showing me my location, which is Nigeria. Then the next thing I will do is to choose the location I want. If you want to use Argentina, Australia, and any of the countries that you want to browse from, the VPN will change the IP address to any of the address you want to be seen as. This helps you to match your location so that anybody tracking you will not easily locate your present location. Remember, we are using a free tool because tech giants using sophisticated tools may still bypass this one. But since our intention is just to use Google AI mode, this is enough for us to do that. So the next thing I will now do is to choose United States and click on this button so that it will connect me to United States. As you can see here, we are already connected and this is our IP address. After that, the next thing we need to do is to go back to Google and research this our Google search term. So I may just press another enter from here so that Google will search for it afresh. As you can see, it has now added AI mode for us. This wasn't here when we are not using Urban VPN. Now that we have AI mode, the normal mode, which is all, we already have our normal text here. But with this AI mode, let's see how to use it. So when I click on it, it is going to load and show me a chatbot just like ChatGPT. So this is the first query, which is what is artificial intelligence. So if I want to continue to chat with it, I can ask a follow-up question like, if I enter this, will artificial intelligence replace human workers? Then I will press enter or click on this button. The system will first of all think. After thinking, it will show me the results. One thing with Google is that it acts like Perplexity. What I mean is that apart from the responses it's generating for you here, it will also give you the sources of this information, where they are coming from. You can see we have 12 sites here. If you want, you can enlarge this in order to see every other site where Google is getting this information from. Now, let us give it further question by entering this prompt. At this time, I am saying, how can humans use AI to improve themselves? If I press continue, it will also think and bring out answers for me. You can see our answers are here and the sources are also here. How cool is that? Please subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying this video. Also remember to like it so that YouTube will show this video to many others. If you are a mobile user, please calm down. I am going to show you how you can use it on your mobile smartphone and the very best free VPN that can help you use it in your mobile phone. So I just mirrored my mobile phone to my PC in order to show you this. If I enter the same keywords, what is artificial intelligence, using Google Chrome and search for it, as we can see, it's only showing us all images, videos and all of that. And if you should scroll down, you will also notice that I am currently in Nigeria. Because of that, AI mode is not showing. So all we need to do is to use a free VPN in order to achieve this. I will now go and search for a VPN. There is a particular one that I'm using. This is the one I am using. It is called VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. You can go to Google Play Store and search for it. If you're on iOS, I believe this software will still be in iOS. Once it opens, I will have to change my location to US. But for this one, it selected USA as fastest location. So I will just click on this or tap from the screen. Whichever one you want to use, both of them will work. I also did a video on how to mirror your phone to your system. You can find out the link in the description box below. Now that it's connected, the next thing I will now need to do is to go to my Google Chrome. From here, I will refresh this page. That is by way of searching this again. Once I search that again, wait for it to reload so that we'll have access to that Google AI mode. Voila, here is it. You can see it from here. So we now have AI mode. We can tap on it at any time so that we'll chat the same way we chat with ChatGPT. How cool is that? So this is how to use Google AI mode and test it as if you are living in the USA. How cool is that? I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching from and if this trick worked in your country. Don't forget to like the video so that YouTube will show it to many others. Also send it to your friends and loved ones. I would also like to remind you that I have done a complete video that shows all the Google AI tools in one platform. The video link is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.